This is WATCO's Wipe-On Polyurethane in Satin. I'm a huge fan of oil-based wipe-on polyurethanes for wood furniture because it's basically like 2 steps in one. It darkens the wood so I can remove the hassle of applying a stain, and it also seals the wood. This stuff went on like a dream. I poured a little bit onto a lint-free cloth and I wiped it along the wood grain. I make sure to not leave any excess. If you're working on a piece that has a lot of intricate details, you can also use a brush to apply it as well. I let the polyurethane dry for about 2 to 4 hours, and then I apply another coat. I like to apply 3 coats total for full protection, lightly sanding with 220 grit between each coat. Since this finish is oil-based, it'll protect against any water or general household chemicals or cleaners. A few things: make sure to use this in a well-ventilated area and always wear gloves while using. This product is not food safe, so don't use it on things like cutting boards. A 1-quart container covers up to 100 square feet, so a little bit goes a long way. I've had no issues with streaking or discoloration, but do know since this is oil-based, it may yellow over time. Because of that, I would not use it on any white surfaces. All in all, I'm very impressed with this product, and I would recommend it to anyone looking to refurbish or brighten up a piece of wood furniture.